Good morning, students. Now, class 7. Today, you have to read the speed. Now, speed is a measure of how fast an object is moving. That is, it is the indicator of the motion. What is the rapidity of the motion? It is given by speed. Now, an object, how fast it is from other object, it is given by speed. Generally, you say that the speed of bus is greater than the speed of our legs. Now, speed of bike is more than the speed of car. Now, what is the meaning of speed? That is, what distance is covered in a given time. As for example, you know that your school bus takes you from your home and reaches your school from 7 to 7:30. That is 30 minutes bus takes to change your position, that is from home to school. Now, what is the distance from home to school? That is 5 kilometers. Now, we will calculate the speed of bus is what? The distance travelled by bus by, that is divided by 30 minutes. Now, 30 minutes is what? How many hours? Half an hour. So, now 5 kilometers is covered in half hours. Now, this is the, in 1 hour, what will be the speed? That is 10 kilometers per hour. So, now 10 kilometers per hour is the speed of bus. Suppose that your bike takes time 20 minutes to reach you from school to home. Now 5 kilometers further distance is travelled in 20 minutes. Now you calculate what will be the speed of your bike. That is 5 kilometers is divided by the time, that is 20 minutes. How many hours? That is 1 by 3 hours. That is, your bike has the speed 15 kilometers per hour. Understand? Now, write down that speed is equal to distance covered by an object by time taken in unit hour. That is, distance is in kilometer and time is in what? Hour. If we use the distance in kilometer, we use the time in hour. Now, 15 kilometers per hour is the speed of your bike and 10 kilometers per hour is the speed of your bus. Now, which speed is more? Your bike speed is more. Now, if distance is denoted in meter, now your time should be mentioned in second. Understand? Now, the SI unit of speed is meter per second. Understand? Meter per second or kilometer per hour. Write down speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is the distance travelled by an object in unit time. That unit time will be 1 hour or 1 second. Understand? When distance is represented as meter, then time should be in second. When distance is in kilometer, time should be in hour. Now average speed. Suppose that your car traveled 20 kilometer in 1 hour, and further there is a jam, and further your car travels 30 minutes in 30 kilometer in 1 hour. Now what will be the average speed of car? Now we will add the total distance, that is 20 kilometer and 30 kilometer. Understand? How many hours taken to cover 20 kilometer and 30 kilometer? That is 1 hour and 1 hour, that is 2 hours. Now we say that average speed. The average speed of car is total distance travelled by car by total time taken. Now 30 kilometer divided by 2 hours, that is 15 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of your car. This is the average speed. So now if there are journey in break journey, if you travel anywhere and taking break journey, then you will calculate the average speed of that vehicles. Understand? Now average speed is equal to total distance travelled by total time taken. Understand? Now here the speed of light is given and you have to learn it. What is the speed of light in air? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. You have to learn. A speed of sound in air, what will be? 340 meter per second. A speed of earth rotation, 440 meter per second. A speed of earth revolution, that is 30 kilometer per hour per second. A speed of launching satellite, that is 8 kilometer per second. Fastest bird, that is peregrine, 200 kilometer per hour. And fastest animal, that is cheetah, 115 kilometer per hour. These are the speed of different things. Now you have to learn it. Understand? Now a speedometer. A speedometer records the speed at a given time in kilometer per hour. Understand? A speedometer records the speed at a given time, that is time in kilometer. Time should be in hour, and this is the speed is given by kilometer per hour. Understand? Now you have to solve question number D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to evaluate the speed. Understand? Okay.